Panthers. Here's the lunch menu for next week. Monday is probably the best lunch. We're having cheeseburgers, shoestring fries, mixed vegetables, tropical fruit, and milk. Make sure to bring some fries. Make sure to bring some salt for those fries. Tuesday, we're having chicken tacos, corn and beans, chips and salsa, pineapple and milk. Wednesday, we're having chicken nuggets, corn nuggets, broccoli, strawberries, and milk. Thursday, we're having riblets, onion rings, Bahama vegetables, oranges, and milk. Friday, we don't have any school.
This week we celebrate birthdays for Kacen and Marcus. Happy birthday!
The improved benefits of creative therapy art is subjective. Whether you think you're bad at it or if you just don't like it, there is no wrong way to do art. Music is a form of art. Cooking is technically a form of art. Anytime you make or create something, you are actively doing a form of art. And art can be very beneficial for the mind and body. I personally really enjoy art because it gives me less anxiety since I'm not focusing on what spins around in my brain and I focus on whatever I'm drawing, sculpting, or crocheting. If you like hands-on projects, I highly recommend crocheting to keep your hands busy or even help reduce anxiety to more of a minimum. I crochet, and projects can vary to just simple squares, blankets, hats, and more. Within the span of 7 hours on and off, I was able to make half a blanket, which goes even faster with double or triple crochets because it makes the stitches taller. A lot of teachers here at OSSB crochet and knit. Sculpting or claymation can also be very fun and calming. The feeling of clay in your hands as you mold it can be soothing. I'm a person who doesn't like getting their hands dirty, but sculpting things is something I really enjoy. The thought that I can make whatever I want in the palm of my hands makes me feel comfortable with my creative flow.
Do you have a date for Valentine's Day?
Yes, February 14th.
Here's a cool Superbowl recipe. Meatball slider bombs. Here are the ingredients. 2 cans of refrigerated pizza dough. Frozen party-size meatballs. 2/3 cup marinara sauce. 1.5 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese. Directions: Step 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Lightly grease a mini muffin tin with cooking spray. Step 2. Roll 1 can of dough into a rectangle. Place the dough on top of the muffin tin. Lightly press each dough into muffin cup. Step 3. Place a meatball into each muffin cup and top evenly with sauce and mozzarella. Step 4. Roll remaining dough into another rectangle and place on top. Use dough to cover each section and use a knife to cut around each cup. Step 5. Brush oil over each Parmesan slider and Parmesan cheese. Last step, bake in the oven until golden brown for 22 minutes. Serve with extra marinara for the dipping.
This is Tidbits with Tim. Did you know that February is Black History Month, an official of 1976? Did you know that February is the most misspelled word in the English language. Did you know that February in 4 years is 29 days to 28 days until leap year? This is Tidbits with Tim.
Can you tell us a little bit of yourself and where you're from?
I'm from Cincinnati, and I like to play basketball.
What's one unique thing that nobody knows about you?
I box.
Who or what is a big influence?
My big brother and my mom.
What are your hobbies?
Going to go play basketball and play the game.
Going to play basketball and
Play the game.
play a game. Is there something exciting to try at OSSB?
The sports.
The sports.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
My mama.
When you're at home. By your mama at home, okay? What's one big goal that you work towards?
Starting my own fashion design business.
What would your big dream be?
My big dream, have my own clothes business.
Nice. So your own clothing line? That's cool.
Yeah.
If there's any 3 people to have dinner with, who would it be?
It would be God, my mom, and Obama.
What do you hope to contribute at OSSB?
With better education.
How do you connect with students or staff?
On another level. We all can't see.
Is there anything else to share or to say?
I'm a cool dude.
Okay.
In one word, how would you experience it?
Cool.
Nice. Well, thank you.
Yeah, that's like